You copy a block of text on your phone and instantly paste it onto your laptop. There's no emailing yourself and no third-party syncing apps to configure. It just works. This seamlessness is driven by vertical integration, a strategy where one company builds both the physical device you're holding and the operating system running inside it. Most of the tech industry relies on a division of labor, where one manufacturer builds the physical hardware, while an entirely separate company writes the software that makes it run. By controlling every layer of that stack, a manufacturer builds what economists call a walled garden, an environment meticulously engineered so that all your devices communicate flawlessly, as long as you stay inside the perimeter. While consumers enjoy the convenience, this closed design is drawing aggressive fire from global regulators, who are now threatening to dismantle the entire ecosystem. Developing proprietary hardware and software in-house requires billions in upfront investment and carries massive financial risk compared to buying cheaper off-the-shelf parts. This investment pays off through quality externalities. Designing a custom chip specifically for proprietary software directly triggers a performance upgrade across the operating system. Owning both layers immunizes against the holdup problem, where defective third-party components stall a product line. You can see the result of this synergy in the smartwatch. The device only functions perfectly with a phone because the watch's operating system is specifically customized to interact with the phone's proprietary hardware. Achieving this level of seamlessness requires absolute control over every step of the manufacturing and software development pipeline. Once the frictionless experience is established, convenience becomes a mechanism for customer lock-in. The easier it is to stay, the harder it is to consider alternatives. Adding peripheral devices, such as proprietary earbuds, raises the financial and psychological switching costs. Leaving the ecosystem would mean losing the features that make these accessories work. The effectiveness of this strategy is clear. Data shows that 60% of iPhone buyers also own an Apple Watch. This creates what economists call a dual-role platform. The tech giant acts as the referee governing the ecosystem, but it also acts as a player, offering its own services in direct competition with independent developers on that same platform. This dual role causes significant friction, leading to accusations of self-preferencing, where the platform owner designs the system to favor its own apps over third-party competitors. A walled garden relies on a precarious balance. The platform must attract enough outside developers to remain valuable while maintaining dominance over the rules of play. The market dominance achieved by these integrated ecosystems has triggered antitrust investigations from global watchdogs in regions like the UK and South Africa. Regulators are scrutinizing several core practices, including mandatory App Store fees, the pre-installation of proprietary apps, and the locking of essential hardware features from competitors. This creates a regulatory paradox. While regulators push for openness, the data shows that closed systems often protect consumers from software defects and reduce the search costs of finding reliable tools. There is a growing economic warning that blanket rules for interoperability could strip away the privacy, security, and performance standards that users have come to expect from these systems. The coming decade of technology will be defined by the legal fight to keep these integrated ecosystems standing.